Well, good morning, Heavy Duty Motorcycles, and as promised, here's a short video about this really interesting bike I posted a picture of yesterday. It's an FXR chopper, as you can see, all sorts of different features to it. Pete actually built this bike about 20 years ago, and for a friend it was to his specification, and it's been around the block. It's been owned by one or two different people, and now a good friend and customer of ours has got it and brought it in for us to basically resurrect it. It had been left for a rest, let's put it that way, for quite a while, and so it's come in for a rewire, new tyres, new battery, speedo fitting to it, master cylinder rebuild kits had to be done. The calipers have been completely refurbished, as you can see there, look like absolute brand new. Just too much stuff to mention, and we just took it for its MOT this morning, and also threw in a valet, which it's an old bike, and it's not mint by any stretch of the imagination, but Bob the valeter has done his usual magic, and it really is an attention grabber. So let me tell you a little bit about it. It's as I say, it's a FXR, it's a Evo 1340, and then you've got Ducati wheels, front and back. The whole frame has been stretched out about 4 inches. You've got a Sportster tank on there, Triumph extended forks, and lots of other bits and pieces. It's just a really interesting bike, and actually rides quite nicely as well, and it's got, of course, that lovely Evo sound. So let me start it up for you. And here's the proud owner with his Heavy Duty Motorcycles mug. Thanks for your business, Sean, and I'll switch this thing on. Yeah. Well, there you have it. Sean's happy.
Always quality workmanship.
Say that again, sorry.
Always quality workmanship.
Thanks, Sean, really appreciate it. It's been a pleasure to work on the bike, and we said to Sean, well, look, take it and put some miles on it, then bring it back. We'll give it another check over, but it's a beautiful bike. I'm looking forward to seeing this around in Mansfield. Okay, Heavy Duty Motorcycles Mansfield signing off. Thanks for watching. Bye.